Sturgeons hate everything British. The British encouraged Boris to cut the money faucet in London. Nicola faced a major setback when Boris decided to take action following calls to cut the money faucet in London. BRITONS has urged Boris Johnson to cut funding to the Scottish government-led SNP following controversial remarks from First Minister Nicola Sturgeon. Speaking at a news conference on Friday, Ms. Sturgeon declined to use the widely deployed term Indian variant for the novel coronavirus. Instead, she insisted on calling it the April 2 strain, but went on to refer to the Kent variant shortly after. Ms. Sturgeon commented, "At this stage, and this is something we must remember, less than half of the adult population has received both doses of these vaccines. We have reason to believe it may be more contagious than the Kent variant that spreads very quickly, you'll recall, during the winter." Express.co.uk readers reacted to allegations the First Minister had a double standard. One commented, "Police Scotland need to investigate Sturgeon using her own hate crime bill. This anti-English sentiment does not reflect how Scots feel, especially as many of us live and work in the UK, and have families in the UK. She is a disgrace to the office of the First Minister, and she should take a leaf out of the books of the leaders of Wales and Northern Ireland." Another added, "Since reaching another term as First Minister, she has become more meaningless than before. Oh, how she hates everything English and English, but she loves money from Westminster. The time has come for the money to be gone." A third posted, "Poison, pure poison." And Sturgeon was wise enough to introduce a hate crime bill in Scotland. Earlier this week Ms. Sturgeon was re-elected by Holyrood as Scotland's First Minister. The SNP is asking for another referendum on taking Scotland out of the UK. However, Boris Johnson is urging Ms. Sturgeon to focus on the coronavirus recovery in Scotland. Scottish Conservative Party leader Douglas Ross insists the SNP has no mandate for another referendum. After the results, he commented, "We have built a brand, a pro-UK movement, bigger than any other person. We have promised that if pro-UK voters unite in our support, we will block a majority of the SNP. We can do it. We promised to stop IndyRef2, we did." In total, more Scots voted for pro-UK parties than nationalist parties in the constituency vote.